So the crowd's been wondering, where has Greg been? Did he leave? Did he get a new vehicle? Is he done with cars? Tune in.
Is
live.
that the cringiest intro of all time? I've been here the whole time. Nobody's wondering where I'm at. They're like, where's the Z? Not my Z, Tim's Z. Nobody gives a shit about my
shit,
Z.
dude. Like, it literally has to be at least
3 followers who follow for the 350 Z.
a strong 100 people have asked what happened to Greg.
Really? I'm not too.
You're very popular, man. Very popular. So,
I've been doing the same shit. Just not working on the Z for no reason because there are no events because of COVID. And then I guess we're gonna go off-roading also because that's the new hip thing.
So we're gonna be testing
It
out.
sucks that we've been planning this for so long but haven't done it yet
I know.
because now everybody's doing it, so it's like
It actually kind of kills me.
kind of lame, yeah.
But it's not lame. We're gonna have fun. I got my Tahoe, which is just
This is the best shit.
a stock Tahoe Z71.
Well, really, yours is better than mine because you have good tires, and that makes up 90% of.
I mean, dude, all I got is tires, and I'm gonna be putting a leveling kit on. So we're just running some Toyo.
Open country.
Yeah, Toyo Open Country. Dude, I got these joints on sale. $160 a tire. I think they're like two.
That's about all they're worth. Tops.
Anyway.
Yeah, I got Geo Tours. I'm pretty sure those are Yokohamas.
What year is your truck, man? You didn't even tell them about what you got. This is a new
14.
purchase.
I had this shit. Dude, I put
But you know you
11,000 miles on this already.
And that's how long you've been gone.
Well, actually, I only bought it in like September, August. It's a Sequoia. It's massive. It's probably not the best for off-roading, but it's the best for towing and off-roading. Because the 4Runner can only tow like, I think 6,500 pounds. It's full of shit.
The thing is, we're not going aggressively off-roading. We're just trying to. Damn, you got the. Hold up.
Hold up. The cat was here. Dude, I got this. It literally has everything that you could ever ask for. It's got all the space. You can literally put a 6'4" person in the back. I can show you on the slowest lift gate in history.
You really do have like a lot of cabin space.
Yeah. You can literally.
That is what I wish I had.
James can sit in the back seat and have no problem.
I
And
don't.
you know, hold on. You want to see the coolest thing? Watch this.
Oh, I thought that was a trick. Oh, go
It
ahead.
is a
That's
trick.
wild.
But it's actually pretty insane.
Cause I keep
Like
my.
in here, bunch of storage. You know, you need your moving mats when you haul shit. Some propane, some extension cords, some water filters.
I do
a
wish
hatchet.
I had that. Cause my trunk is junky as hell.
It's got this shit that I will never use.
Oh, I got one of those.
Yep. How often do you use it?
Never.
Never.
Well, my DVDs, man.
This, tons of storage.
I don't have that.
This goes forward, tons of storage. Lift that,
Damn.
more storage.
Hey, that's clutch.
Yeah.
I
Dude, it's
do wish
literally
I had
insane.
that because I
And
have
then-
so much junk in my truck.
I forget how many cup holders. I think there are 21 cup holders.
What?
Yeah. Like this flips down, 2 cup holders. There's a drawer under here, remote for the TV, 2 more cup holders there.
Why would someone need 21 cup holders?
I don't know, but like, I haven't really done much to it. All the interior lights I switched to LED.
Best mod, dude.
Yeah.
Only
so
reason I
the-
did mine is because of you. I ain't do the interior yet, but
Oh,
externally,
yeah.
we're good.
Every interior light's LED.
All right, dude.
Headlights are
Stun on me,
LED.
why don't you?
Black housing, headlights. I'm gonna change all of this because I don't really like it. I think it's too much black. Yellow fog lights. Don't really like those either.
What? I like it.
They're okay. I don't mind yellow fog lights. I just don't like that yellow's like it's too yellow. It looks fine on the ditch lights.
That's
I
another
think it's
mod.
just too much chrome behind the yellow that it just makes it too bright.
Dude, your car is actually pretty clean compared to mine.
It's super dirty. And then obviously it's been in an accident.
What?
Look at the color.
Bro, you out here just...
These are 3 different colors.
You can't see that in camera.
Oh. Well, this is like, it's a 3-stage pearl. So they probably did a 2-stage paint.
You out here dry
That's why it looks
snitching
all
on
weird.
yourself. Alright, so that's the next
Oh,
challenge.
yeah.
We're gonna just go have fun, tour America. You know, I don't know how
Probably go
long.
to like Greenridge State
Yeah.
Forest in Maryland, or maybe somewhere in like Virginia or West Virginia.
And now we're with Tim.
What's up?
How do you do?
Good. Busy.
What's going on with the 240? Giving a little update for everyone that's been asking.
So the axle issue has been solved. The axle that we received is actually slightly different than the axle that they were actually planning for the Ford 8.8 kit. So Technotoy Tuning is sending me out, well, it's already sent me out a replacement axle, which is awesome. So the axle thing will be solved. I have my new wheels painted.
Yeah, I say a couple people asked about
And I
more of the
started-
turbofan content.
Yeah, I started making the front turbofan pieces. This has a little cup in it. But we'll do a full episode on that. I finally got more, I broke the bit on my CNC, a little carbon bit, so I got some new ones coming in. But we got new lips and barrels. I painted them all. So there'll be different sizes front and rear. And then these wheels are gonna go into the donor 280Z from Mariah's
Oh, which ones?
car. Well, all the 4-lug ones. Since we went
Oh,
5-lug, so we went different lips and barrels and different faces. So really, they're completely different wheels. But the 15s, and I might bump the rears down to 16s for Mariah's car.
I forgot you went 5-lug now.
Yeah, yep. Got those Mustang hubs. And I got, I actually have rotors on here now. These are just 240SX rotors, but they're drilled out to 5-lug. These are EBC guys from Turn 14. Other than that, we're really just waiting on the ECU still from Link, but they said I should have it soon. We're gonna keep checking in on them. But other than that, we've been busy doing a lot of like random stuff, like making this carbon wing right here for this Porsche build we're gonna start soon. This Porsche is gonna be pretty sick actually, but we have another Porsche over there that I just painted a week or 2 ago. Obi-Wan's M3 back for some small stuff. Friend Marty's
Actually, yeah, that's what,
FDRX7. Yeah, we never actually mentioned this. So of course he is not here the day that we're actually gonna film his car.
yeah, he asked me about it the other day.
We'll get Marty on the channel. He's a good guy. But yeah, so this is his FD he's had for a while, and he completely rebuilt the engine with well, Angel Motorsports rebuilt it for him. He did a big single turbo, and this was all done. He's been like he's been doing a lot of the work himself, fixing it up, moving the wiring. He did engine mounts, a whole bunch of other stuff. This thing was pretty haggard when he got it, so it's looking amazing.
Yeah.
Pretty much what we've done is just fix the body, roll and cut fenders and quarters, and then we painted it this Porsche gray black, so like one of the GT3 RS colors. It's pretty much done, it's just dusty. We need to blow it off, do like a final, just wet sand and buff on the outside of it, and it's good to go. You can see I got my carbon, the first carbon S30 roof chilling over there, also super dusty.
I was like blended in. I was like, hold on, what?
But yeah, that's the first part we made. Came out okay, but there's some things I'm gonna change for the next one. But what else we got? Oh, we got that crazy Porsche that's coming in here. So it has we're gonna do air suspension on it and a LS7. Well, it's gonna already have an LS7 swap in it for all those LS base guys. But it's getting a 911 GT3R cup kit or something like that. 0.2 cup kit. Pretty sure that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure, but
That's true.
Huge fenders, crazy front and rear bumpers, fender vents. But we're gonna have to do a lot of work to these to get them all perfect and then
Presentable.
paint them, go in a cool color. Yeah. Got a lot of stuff going on with it. We're gonna do air suspension on it, I think I already said. But so that'll be a project that's coming in here in 2 weeks, I think.
Okay.
So we're just prepping some stuff, and then we're also gonna make a diffuser for it and a front splitter, all out of carbon.
So your boy's been staying busy.
Yeah, we got a ton of stuff to do.
How
And
about-
then, one more thing.
Sometimes they forget we're part tubers.
Front tubers. These are actually a set of Evo 10 fenders. They're actual carbon, which is pretty crazy.
Dude, I know that was kind of
Carbon
shocking.
piece that's made out of carbon. It's 2x2 twill on the inside, but on the outside, the last layer is like a octagon, hexagon. What is that? What's the 6 sides?
What was it? Honeycomb.
Hexagon. Yeah, honeycomb style. These are in here from, because they were delivered, I think, just cracked. The nose of them were all cracked up.
From delivery?
Yeah, I think from delivery.
Dude, that
I'm not
sucks.
sure. But yeah, I do a bunch of carbon repair here, so that was one of the things here. And then obviously, all of his carbon parts we've clear coated, so they're not gonna yellow out in like 2 months once it's on the car sitting in the sun. So unfortunately, Connie is still chilling in pretty much the same exact condition from last episode. Well, all of the parts are completely straight, all painted the color of the car, and just waiting for this roof to get done, basically. But the issue I had with the roof was when we made the part off of the old roof, the shape that it had become was kind of like a weird cupped shape. And then as soon as we molded it on here, and once it actually cooled down, the roof like cupped in.
That's due from with the epoxy just being hot and it's on.
No, well, I think it's, well, no, because it was a cured part, but I think it's just the shape of it. And then once we bonded it to the roof, it just like, once it got cold, it just like popped in. And so I could try and like do a bunch of body work to the outside of this and make it perfect, but then it'll be kind of sitting in on the inside. And this is for Dave, and I really like Dave, so we're gonna make it perfect. So one of his friends actually delivered their Celica to us that has a pretty straight roof and no sunroof in it. So I'm fixing that right now, and then I'm gonna get the windshield and the rear windshield pulled on it. And we're gonna make a mold of it, so I have a mold so I can make a perfect roof for Dave. And then we'll just pop this one off, put the new one on, do a little bit of body work, get the outside of the body painted, and then put it all back together. And I think they're planning on coming up here to do a suspension setup on it so we can see it fully on the ground, and then we might be adding some width to the flares and stuff like that. So
Damn, I didn't know that. That's gonna be interesting.
yeah. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm making a diffuser over there for a customer. Of course, I had my diffuser mold. I made a first one, but it had some issues with it, so I was trying to make another one. And then I dropped the mold, and I broke it. So then I fixed it, made a new plug off of that, and then made a brand new mold. And then I was setting it up to start laying carbon, but now I ran out of resin, so I gotta call Fiberglass and order some resin.
Dude, Murphy's Law is kicking me in the butt.
Yeah, so we got a lot of stuff happening right now, but none of it's like crazy updates for the channel. But also, throughout all of this, we've been slowly acquiring parts for the next big build.
Which nobody has guessed correct yet.
Yeah, nobody has guessed it, but the only clue we gave was that it's an American car with an American powertrain. But,
We'll leave it at
which
that.
isn't that much of a clue, but I guess for us it's weird, but we don't have any American cars. Well, you got a Tahoe.
Yeah,
daily,
that's
but
about
other
as
than that-
American as gonna get.
But yeah, so that's what's been up lately, but we got some cool episodes coming in the pipeline, so
Stay tuned.
Oh.